So, you picked up your PPE kit. What's next? In your kit, you should have a forehead thermometer. Every day that you plan to come to campus, find a mirror and place that thermometer on your forehead. When you see green, you're in an appropriate temperature range to come to campus. One way that you can keep track of your thermometer is to store it in your phone case so you'll always have it on you. Make sure to go and download the Campus Shield app. Once you've downloaded the app, go into it every day you plan to be on campus and take the COVID self-assessment. You will be asked a series of questions to determine if it is safe for you to be on campus or not. If you're cleared to come to campus, you will then be able to view your badge for the day. Your badge lasts 24 hours before expiring. Let's get into the classroom. Masks are required in all campus buildings and classrooms. You will not be permitted to enter your classroom without one. You will be required to show your badge to your professor as you enter the classroom. Only green badges will be permitted into classrooms. As you enter, please grab a disinfectant wipe, clean your area, dispose of the wipe, and sit down. You've made it, and we are so glad you're here. And don't forget, there are Marian hand sanitizer stations located all over campus for whenever you need it. Welcome back, Knights.